No, yati bedin bebre, freedom wom, bedi akun wom, kwame wom. But the dia Ghana for bebre yati a de frɛ no. Megide se ne nipa bebre kura nim ne din ankasa. Mene ne ko baabi ye ko no nsuo bi o baabi. Ɛna medi hu ne din ankasa. Ba ne din ayi na ye de frɛ no aye cheddar. Cheddar, good morning.
I like to be addressed as Freedom or Anakwame Video. Good morning.
That's say.
Boko.
Ahoden wo hopa.
Ya denyame ase. Nyame na yeda na ase.
Christmas no di ni say.
Christmas we mendi.
Ade.
I remember I said 27 na me wo I traveled to three countries in 4 days and I me buy. And wo hwe anamo ayetu anso a ama enije ene apiepie bi intimi my life mu biem se esi utukwan pa na ekirefo enso nya ekwan bi so fadi wachi nti uhwa no ma bi wo ha ye ntimi nya biem intimi hu bi so biem ena ekro ni so ayese economy ni wo down kakra nti se obaji woni kra na wo pese odwene nkofo ho ansana bibisa ti bronya ide mendibi
kra 2024 year you hunu saying a year bain
2024 year the glory is double portions. It's 12 times 2 nti bibia ya double even what we can do I bet my year 2024 no we believe say what we're supposed to do in 2024 and 2025 can be done just in 2024. It's a year of speed.
Okay.
It's a year of speed and grace.
Tell me about yourself. Who are you?
This is a very rhetorical question. Who are you?
Who are you?
Who are you? Who am I? That's the kind of question I ask myself sometimes because now who do they say I am? Because you know some people might call me Cheddar, some people might call me Anakwame Bediako, some people will be frame Freedom Jacob Caesar. Now be so what's in this year or doing me who and I say officer metia and I say baby sir and nyadi meeting me I force any pass say ana metia. Enti who are you dear? I'm nobody. But what I am is what I'm becoming. And that's what I expect people to embrace.
So how did you conceive what you want to become?
Well, I think that life begins from how you start it.
Okay.
How you build it. How you move. And that's what makes you as you're moving along. You know, in Ghana, a lot of us are raised in poor areas. If you live in a poor area, it's very difficult for you to say that I have become extremely rich. You know, it's likely that but some of us, we have to fight to come out of that zone. And then when you come out and call other places, what shall I say so hunoma? Sebi anybia ubia asukwa and I'm free. Na me ma menete.
Ufi asukwa
ehona minyini ye
adanse asukwa kumasi asukwa na
kumasi asukwa na me papa ewo nkran na me maame ewo kumasi nti me maame na nyini ye.
Okay, tu free kumasi
me free kumasi me di 11 years na me to anamon se me ba Accra na telephone ni ona bibie ni o me maame hwe me no se me nko na sika kakra ma save enwa na me di
11 years.
Yes, enwa na me di to about ba Accra ti me ba ya na me hia me nua me hu omoda. You know, so for me like
now where then
me ba say me ba be school me ba be school papa ko e won cry
o papa wa ha
me papa wa ha.
Okay, nti now o papa wa
me ba me papa ho
because one who be to make say 11 years now why would you was all bank crying so we're coming to your father.
Yeah, I was coming to my family.
Okay, yes, now we're school papa.
So I was moving from my mother to my father.
Okay.
Nti
I don't know mo jaware.
Oh, these are not things I want to discuss. Yes, but me hwa eye akontuo no enante amanante baby a meduduru ni baby a meduru ya na sese me ye U10 baby a meduru ya na sese me sacrifice baby a meduru ya na enu nyina ani na mo ho ametutu a abobom and I prepare me.
Okay.
Nti ene se me ka se who I'm becoming just say all the things that I've been through in my lifetime, I've learned from that experience. And experience is the root and the foundation of wisdom. When you don't forget it, you learn from it.
Okay.
And that is what has prepared me to this point. And I must say that there is no such thing as luck. Chances come for the prepared minds.
Sure.
And even God to choose you, it's because you were prepared.
Prepared, sure.
Yes, and I'm prepared. And the courage in me is what I think has made me become appointed.
It's Ufia Sukwa, meaning you are Ashanti, precisely.
Yes.
Ufi Kumasi Bank, I will school by.
Oh, maybe call schools. Wah, me call first, me call Tema, and I me call a cracker, and I me call Apam.
What school in Apam?
Apam.
Okay.
Timi we Apam.
Oh, yeah, Apani. But that one I know, but I just want to ask you.
Na me call London, and I me share college as so. Timi we college, and I me share university as. I me share university as. No, na me wo businesses that. Na me wo no me bintina. Me timi concentrate on the business class now, Mokano. So I decided, say,
no,
me too, and I'm on for.
No, why your business?
No, my business. Now, the time I walked out, no, there was a voice that told me that from this very moment, you're responsible for yourself. And yeah, mawa when you say decision now, take here, no. And I hear you. A kwana na namsono. Na me krum din say.
It's when you're in university.
Men we, but me ba into the real world, and so who say the university is important,
okay,
but the degree does not fulfill your destiny. A lot of people have degrees, but they don't have the chance to even get a job.
Okay.
So for me, I would advise people to have education. It's very important. It's a necessity. But one of the things that they should keep with them the most is the network,
okay,
and the experience. Because I didn't see an Ankasano, some beside BBC, I was square be on Kai.
Apam secondary school, be a woman Kai. Kakrebi na Mekai.
What is science? I'll bet my explain.
Let me say, they mean to be catch. What do be some so near, met me a catch. Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
All right. When you worry, it's one worry, you need it. Now you're better, now you're forest.